I'm Robin Clevitt, and today I'm going to show you the quick tip using this self-drilling, low-torque, reduced head decking screw from FORGEFAST. FORGEFAST has a complete range of elite performance screws. So my tip for you if you're embarking on softwood treated decking is to make sure you give yourself the right space. I'm using a 6mm glazing spacer here, and this is just about right to allow for all that moisture in the winter and drying back in the summer and not everything jamming up. If you're using a ribbed decking, it comes in all shapes and sizes with different ribs. What I like to do is make sure I'm roughly 20% of the way in. So in this case, I'm in the second rib in. That allows for the timber to expand and contract. If I was screwing here and here in a really dry summer, you might get a split straight down the middle of the board. Roughly 20 to 25% of the way in to allow for that shrinkage. The self-drilling, low-torque, reduced head decking screw from FORGEFAST. The reduced pancake cylindrical head allows for discrete fixing in the grooves between the channels of most timber decking boards. An additional reverse thread at the top of the screw, combined with the reduced head, leaves a crisp hole in composites without the mushrooming of excess material. It's a Deckmark quality assured product. The sharp point for fast to buy enables you to even get through steel, which is 0.8 thick. And it's CE approved for use in load-bearing timber construction. So for more tips and to see the rest of the Elite range, follow the link on screen, and thank you for watching.